Welcome back to the channel, guys. How's it going? My name is Trigger. Hope everyone's doing well. How are you guys? If you already don't know, all my social media every time is linked in the description down below. Go give me a follow. But what's going on, guys? Let's get right to the install today. I'm sure you guys have seen these already, but if you haven't, I'll link the video right up here for you guys to watch it. But these are my PBM coilovers, and I went with the Pro Series for the Nissan 370z chassis. As well, guys, this is a true coilover, so the rear is actually a true strut and spring, rather to the factory where, hold on, let me get a light. Much better. Alright, rather to where this is the factory strut, and we used to have that ugly spring bucket that we deleted for that nice beautiful Voodoo 13 control arm. You can't do any of this without having this set up. So this is very nice. I'm very happy. And again, guys, this was the only company that had them in stock, and I literally paid for them, got them in the next hour. Shout out PBM, you guys are always killing it. They also hooked me up with better springs. They gave me 18K fronts and 6K rear, so it's super soft and nice. It also comes with the extra accessories, the top hat, adjustable dampers, the extra nuts for the rear since this is open, and also the brackets. Obviously, first thing we need to do is we need to take off these two bolts in order to take the factory strut out. If you haven't watched the video already of me taking this off, I'll link it right here, but it's pretty easy if you have the spring bucket too. And guys, if you don't get a true coilover system and you use the spring bucket still, this video still will show you how to install your coilover, so you don't need to worry. But pretty much we're going to need to remove this, and if you had the spring bucket, you would remove that as well and put your new spring in, but we won't be doing that. For those of you who haven't seen my trunk setup, I have my sub, but I also have the sole function trunk kit that is inside my car. But if you had the stock setup, you would pretty much have like this little plastic black thing right here that you would need to remove. I have this, so I won't be removing it. But yeah, you guys should check this out. I probably should make a video on this. Comment down below if you want me to make a video on this, or if anyone's interested to see. Well, guys, just look at the difference. This is the factory strut, this is the PBM coilover. Just so much of a difference. What's cool with this, the lower you can adjust by just moving these and just spinning them, and this comes completely down. I'm gonna make it the same height as this, so when I install it, car will be at the same height, and then we'll adjust it from there. Well, here it is installed, and what's cool, guys, see, this is that ball up top lets it just be able to adjust. Super awesome. PBM killed it on this. Now you're gonna want to do the same thing to the rear on the other side. Now that the front wheels are off, I took the hood off. But next, what you're gonna need to do is you're gonna need to take off the intakes, because the three nuts that we need to access are right there. This is the passenger side. The driver side is right there. You're gonna need to unbolt those. And then if you go under here, you guys see this thing right here. I forget what the name of it was, but this is attached. There's a nut behind it, and pretty much this, like this screw from here, goes all the way through. We're gonna take this out, and then you'll just be able to take this whole thing out. Alright, guys, well, the shock is out, so I realized you're gonna want to take this off, which is a size 14. And when you take this off, this top arm is able to just pop right off, so this whole assembly is able to shift down really easily, and you're just able to remove the factory shock, which is this thing. And I went ahead and adjusted my PBM coils to the same length as that, and now you could go ahead and throw them in, or you could go ahead and take the other side out. And then, but yeah, pretty easy, simple, straightforward. Well, guys, on that, as you guys saw, I kind of was struggling, but the sway bar that attaches right here has a bolt that goes all the way through, and I'll show you guys that bolt right now. What I learned was that this side came off really easily, but on the driver's side of my car, I don't know who had like torqued this down before, but like they made a wrong mistake of torquing it down too far. So they stripped the nut pretty much and seized it to the bolt, and they put thread lock on it. I don't know why. Pretty much they destroyed the bolt, so it wouldn't come off. I tried everything, all my impacts wouldn't break it, breaker bar, everything. So I pretty much just had to cut it off. Kind of sucks. So see, the side that's good, the bolts and the nuts is like this, and this slides all the way through. Unfortunately, one side for me wasn't like that, so I have to just cut it off with a grinder. Rest in peace to this, like, what is this, end link. I'll just either have to upgrade it, or just to give you guys a clue, maybe something in the future that's coming for this car. Won't be requiring this anymore, but I still want to run it if I can. But that's a pretty big hint for you guys. For now, I'm just not gonna run a front sway bar. I wanted to be able to install the coils, get the car ride height perfect. I won't be getting alignment either, but as well the passenger side is on. Now what I'm gonna do is take the measurements for the preloads of the springs, make sure they're all the same, and then we will be pretty much set to go and we can start tightening everything up. And as well, from factory, when you guys take it off, it comes with like a little black spacer. You don't reuse that when you install it.